Well, good morning, meteorologist Nick Johnston. Great weekend. I know I had a pretty good weekend. Weather was beautiful. Couldn't ask for a much nicer weekend in terms of the weather. So hopefully you had a chance to get outside and enjoy some of that nice June, near perfect conditions. Great weekend to get outdoors. Today's weather, sponsored by A through Z Builders and Remodelers. There you go, 8/19/89. Hey, let me show you what to expect for today's weather. A nice one today. Well, pretty much more of what we saw over the weekend. Skies this morning, bright and sunny. It is a beautiful start to your Monday. And what you see now is what you should expect for the rest of the day today. If there's any little bit of cloud cover or fog this morning, it should clear away fairly quickly and give way to a nearly uninterrupted sky. Today is going to be beautiful, bright, sunny, very pleasant. Should stay completely dry as we head through the day today, and generally problem-free. Winds barely noticeable, light variable at just about 5 miles per hour. Like I said, you'll see lots of sunshine, so today's a day where you need sunglasses. Make sure you have those on hand. Temperatures rise out of this morning where we're in the 40s and 50s, very comfortable overnight. Yesterday was a pretty warm day, but with low humidity, it allows those overnights to really cool off and get nice and comfortable. Great sleeping weather. And I know I had the windows open last night. It was great to wake up this morning. Nice, comfortably crisp start. Won't be crisp for long, though. We rise into the mid-70s, maybe even the upper 70s in spots, and that is pretty much dead on normal for this time of the year. 76 degrees. That is right on par with where we would expect to be for this time of the year. Look at that beautiful sunshine. And you're going to like the webcams I've got this morning. Got some beautiful pictures to show you. Hey, and thanks to everybody last night who checked in and sent me some of the sunset photographs from across our area last night. In case you didn't catch it, gorgeous sunset across many different parts of the area. Kind of neat when you see what the sunset looked like, not just from your backyard, but from, say, different locations all across the area. It's kind of neat. So you can check out that post. That's on my Facebook page. Also, again this morning, I got to try to get this figured out. My iPad not letting me see the comments this morning, if there are any. If you are weighing in this morning, good morning, hello. Sorry, I'd normally be trying to interact a little bit, but yeah, not able to do that this morning. Anyway, good morning. Let's move on with the forecast. So dew points today, low. It's going to be a beautiful day. Warm, yes. Beautiful and sunny, but with low dew points, low humidity, it should be very comfortable outdoors. Dew points today, not just below 60, but in the mid to upper 40s, near 50, low. Very dry and comfortable. There would be a risk of brush fires, but with winds today staying very light, that's why brush fires today are really not a big threat. No more so than usual this time of the year, at least. All right, one less thing to worry about. The dew points should not be bad. Okay, here's what's normal for this time of the year. Normal high, 77, and we will be very close to that today. Comfortable, pleasant, and generally problem-free. Hey, we're a little cooler than normal this morning. Normal would be 55. Many of us got into the low 50s. There were even some 40s in the hill towns showing up. Nice start to the day. Sunrise at 5:17, sunset at 8:33. Record high, 94. That's set back in 1947. Record low of 36, set back in 1980. Have not seen any rain in the last 24 hours. Nice and dry through most of the weekend there. And we are now behind in terms of rainfall. After a bit of a wet start to 2018, the past several weeks we've had a chance to dry out a little bit, and we are now a little over an inch below normal in terms of precipitation for the year so far. Record of 1.93 inches. Hey, the wind yesterday also stayed light, 3.4 miles per hour. That was the average wind speed. Did see a gust up to 19. Winds yesterday were generally out of the northeast. Today, winds will be variable. and so light that, again, for most of the day, I think you'll barely notice any wind at all. All right, let me take you outside now and show you the webcams I mentioned. We've got some beautiful pictures outside right now. First one from Cobleskill. Nice looking morning here in Cobleskill. Got beautiful blue skies, and that's what you're going to see a lot of this morning. Yep, this is Cohoes Falls, Mohawk River. Also a beautiful start. Little bit of cloud cover there on the horizon. But it will be a sunshine-dominated day. Can you tell? Looking here at Sunset Beach to be seen in the sky here at Inlet, New York. Sunset Beach looked awesome last night. This is Long Lake, New York, where it's also a stunning morning. Just a little bit of steam fog out over the lake surface. Pretty cool, huh? Neat. Here's Long Lake from above, where it is also looking lovely. Again, not a cloud to be seen. Plattekill, bright and sunny, very green. This is what Lake Placid looks like this morning. Again, not a cloud in the sky. Top of Whiteface Mountain, just a little bit of cloud cover there in the distance. This is the Wild Center at Racket Pond. This is Whitehall, New York. Beautiful. This is North Adams, Mass. And finally, from southern Vermont, this is from Mount Snow. Gorgeous all across the area. All right, let's take a look at what we've got going on temperature-wise. I said it was a comfortably cool morning. Temperatures, of course, have now started to rise. Pretty good start. Temperature-wise, should be nice and comfortable. Got right now 57 kind of Schenectady. It's about 56, 57 degrees across much of the capital region, already in the mid-50s and rising. A little bit farther north, we do still have some 40s coming out of Hamilton County. We've got 45 there, up closer to Essex County, 49. Into Rutland there, 48, 47 into Bennington County. Generally a cool, crisp, very pleasant start to what is going to shape up to be a beautiful day overall. And most of the work week, actually, is looking pretty nice. We've got a lot of very nice weather ahead. Okay. Let me show you real quick the watches and warnings map where, hey, it's always nice to see this. Look at that. Clear. No watches, no warnings, no advisories, no hazardous weather statements. So like I said, no significant problems coming in the near future. All right, the surface map is showing why we're going to enjoy a lot of sunshine today. High pressure has control up in Canada right now, keeping us clear. Well, it is a wet start for places in southern Pennsylvania and down closer to the nation's capital this morning. We are not expected to see any of that rain make it up into our area. High pressure keeps us clear and keeps that rain pressed down to the south. Doesn't look like we're going to see any big changes today or tomorrow. Eventually, though, part of this frontal boundary, this storm system, will lift into the region a little bit later on in midweek. That'll be our next chance for a shower or storm. Not likely, though, today or tomorrow. All right. Oh, I forgot. Let me real quick show you the satellite imagery. Kind of a neat shot here where you can see the night lights as they fade and the sun rises. And you can now, this kind of makes sense, where we saw that frontal boundary down in southern PA, that's where you see a little bit more cloud cover. Some of those clouds have filtered into especially the southern Hudson Valley area, seeing just a little bit of that. If you do see a little bit of cloud cover on the horizon, it's that storm system to our south that is feeding us just a little bit of cloud cover. It is a crystal clear start, though, further north in the Adirondacks, and most of us are waking up to a nice and sunny morning. The further south you head, you'll find a little bit more cloud cover, but as I showed you, you got to go way down into Pennsylvania before you find any showers. We're expected to stay dry as we head through the day today. Nice, kind of a neat shot there. Oh, hey, late in the game, I am actually now seeing a few comments from people. Technology. Shannon and Atriello, good morning. Cindy, McInty. Hello. Judy Weisenburn. Good morning. What a nice weekend. It sure was. All right. Well, it was a nice weekend, but it was a little challenging for allergy sufferers. I know I had a few issues yesterday and on Saturday with some allergies. Nick Morrell, good morning. Nice that social media finally playing along late in the broadcast, but better late than never. So allergy counts, pollen counts rather, are relatively high, as you might expect this time of the year. But without any significant rain chances today or tomorrow to cleanse the atmosphere, we're going to continue to see high pollen counts. Today, medium high, and tomorrow probably even a little bit higher than we will be today. Wednesday, when we have that rain chance, we might get some allergy relief, as those showers might help to wash some of the pollen out of the sky. But in the meantime, yes, beautiful weather, but you might find yourself sniffling or sneezing a little bit. Sylvia, Elaine, good morning. T.E. Clark, thumbs up. I agree. Yeah, I think this forecast deserves a big old thumbs up. Here's a look at the forecast again. 76 today, which is normal, seasonable temperatures, but might feel a little bit warmer than it actually is with bright sunshine and light winds. Just a perfect day today to get outdoors. No problems at all. 76 and very pleasant. Tonight will be another comfortably cool night, a little bit below average. Hill towns will probably make the 40s. Low 50s, meanwhile, for the capital region. Mostly clear skies. Beautiful night for, say, stargazing, checking out the moon. Tomorrow, another near perfect day. A little bit warmer than today. Still not overly muggy, though. You might be able to notice just a hint of humidity tomorrow, but our dew points are still expected to be in the 50s. That's still considered generally comfortable. So both today and tomorrow should be very pleasant, problem-free, and mostly sunny. Tomorrow you might notice a little bit more of a breeze. Today winds, as I mentioned, barely even enough to notice. Tomorrow you might notice the winds at 5 to 15 miles per hour, but it should not cause any significant problems. Addie Peckham, it was beautiful on the Cape. Water still a little cool. Yes, Addie, that is definitely true. Carol Engel, good morning. All right, let me finish with the 7-day. What a great-looking 7-day forecast. I mean, for those who have been looking forward to summer weather, we've got it. Today and tomorrow, pleasant, warm, but not overly humid. Then Wednesday, you might notice more humidity on Wednesday. It's not going to be a scorching hot day, though, with a high near 80 degrees. We will have more humidity, but it should be manageable. We'll also have the chance on Wednesday for a scattered shower or storm to be a part of the equation there. And then look at the later part of the week, turning mild, warmer, pleasant. We've got a lot of 80s on the 7-day forecast. Great. Some nice weather to get outdoors and enjoy. All right. Hey, hope everybody had a terrific weekend. Hope your work week is off to a nice start. And I'll see you tomorrow morning.